Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Herul Asmi, and today I wanna present review about and reading interest strength and vocabulary acquisition of EFL learners meta-analysis. This journal is available in GLLS, Journal of Language and Linguistic Study, and the Journal of Language and Linguistic Studies is indexed in Scopus right here. And there is some review I want to tell you about this journal article from the introduction. For the main idea, vocabulary was a fundamental ability that students should be mastered to support them comprehend reading text. Vocabulary development is significantly in improvement language skill. So this main idea is about how to increase vocabulary with the reading text method. That is the sort of the main idea. And then for the second is literature view. The main idea is reading is a way for successfully learning in the school setting, and the competent reading goes beyond decoding, also included text comprehension. The evidence is while reading, a person is engaged in activity that involve moving in the eyes of the muscle to see that the text image and reading being read. The process of the eye movement is intention to the text making neural mechanism developmental. In the short, because we are using our reading method while reading, person we study that will be making a neural mechanism on the brain will be reproduced to have ability to remember a word by word, the meaning by meaning on our heads. The sort of is we can remember those words in every single word on the brain, and we can use in another time gitu. The next is the method. Their method is like the research use systematic literature review method. It was systematically identify, analyze, interpret, and evaluate the journey follow provident step. The systematic literature review indicate objective approach use recognized proper study. Their method is using systematic literature, which means is they using several pages or several texts that they will be divided by some or 2 or 3 or 11 books. So that book is much about literature or something. That will be researching for the exemplar or the GIMLI. The research use meta-analyzing data. It's based on Prisma. According to Selby and Faith, meta-analysis systematically collects and synthetically analyzes various views as in statistical device that stabilizes on the meta-analysis ini adalah sebuah sistem yang dimana mereka mengumpulkan informasi lalu mensintetiskannya gitu, lalu mendapatkan beberapa hasil yang sangat bermanfaat gitu. Ini dalam bahasa Indonesia saja, saya nggak mampu untuk mentranslate dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, this B can be looked at from example from the various student from another country like Indonesia, Jerman, Iran, Canada, Hong Kong, California, and based on this have many calculation. Yeah, saya nggak tahu. I still don't know much about this, but the result is presented by they have very positive reference, which mean addition to remembering capacity is increased. They will increasing the method. They increase their vocabulary significantly. This for the conclusion is the paper is aimed to correlation between students' reading, interest, vocabulary acquisition, which means done by using systematic literature review and meta-analysis. Several stage, gathering data, scaring, and comparing assessment are done to obtain the samples. The 11 studies collected as the sample, the content as of the Jamovia software. The result obtained relativity is moderate between interest and vocabulary acquisition, with the pooled correlation 455 or 95% of CI and 200 from the 120 to 80, 850. This meta-analysis is finding more consistent between past literature that has reported that vocabulary interest was positively associated by vocabulary acquisition. The studies discuss about reading interest and acquiring EFL learners, vocabulary acquisition, reading interest in the one alternative for improving EFL learners, vocabulary acquisition. Vocabulary is the basis of learning English support abilities to other fields such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening. The meta-analysis findings about the improvement of reading interest student vocabulary acquisition. Therefore, reading interest strength is the one of strategies to improve learner vocabulary acquisition. I think that's all from my presentation today. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.